To complete the Bank of Baroda KYC process, follow these steps. First, gather the required documents, which typically include a valid government-issued identity proof, address proof, and a recent passport-sized photograph. Next, visit the Bank of Baroda website and navigate to the KYC section, where you can download the KYC application form or obtain it from a Bank of Baroda branch. Fill out the form accurately and attach the required documents. Then, submit the form and documents to a Bank of Baroda branch or through a business correspondent. Ensure all information is correct and documents are valid, as incomplete or incorrect submissions may lead to rejection. After submission, the bank will verify the documents and may contact you for additional information or clarification. Once the verification is complete, you will receive a confirmation message or email from the bank. It is essential to note that the KYC process is a one-time requirement and is mandatory for all bank account holders. The process helps prevent identity theft and ensures the security of your account. In case of any issues or queries, you can contact the Bank of Baroda customer care or visit the nearest branch for assistance. The bank's staff will guide you through the process and provide necessary support. By following these steps, you can complete the Bank of Baroda KYC process efficiently and ensure your account is secure and compliant with regulatory requirements. Remember to keep your documents and account information up to date to avoid any future complications.